Okay, to answer this interview question, what are two potential pitfalls of using recursion, and how can you overcome these challenges? Um, Recursion is a powerful tool when it's used correctly, but there are some pitfalls. One that I can think of right now is that it's without a base, this will run forever and ever, and it will cause a stack overflow. And in order to prevent this from happening, you need to have a base where the function will stop running when it's finished. Another potential pitfall from using these is that it's not always relatively easy for someone who didn't write the code to look at and completely visualize what is happening, because it's calling a function that calls the function that calls another function or calls the same function multiple times, and it can be confusing for someone to try to visualize what is happening. So a way to overcome this, I would say, is to write good comments so that someone who is looking at this code, that isn't you, can see what it's meant to do and then have a good understanding of what is happening. Another really good way to help with this is just to like make sure you name variables in a way that it makes sense for those names, so that when someone's looking at it, they can understand it and have a better understanding of how the recursion works. But yeah, just like good documentation, like comments and good variables, that should help out a lot if somebody's looking at the code. I would say these are two pitfalls. There's other pitfalls, but I think these are probably some of the main two. Thank you very much.